Hello, and this is the second video about how to edit the Solitaire Bangkok website, including the slider, the menu, and the pictures and the contact forms. So let's start with the slider. To change the sliders on the home page and the inner pages, we just go to the slider and the down to the bottom. You go over here, you will see the slider named under each new room. To edit one of the sliders, for example, the homepage the slider, click on edit. Okay, if you go now to the bottom of the page, you will see here the picture, how it displays. Basically, on both Mac or laptop, phone, it will show you the gradient here, how it's going to display. So if you're going to change the picture, just click on Media Library and upload a new picture and select the new picture there. The picture have to be high resolution. For example, the current one is 1860 by 12 or 42. So that need to be kept as the same way, so it can show the page, show the slider the same layout, the same look, and the same zoom in, all the animation the same. After you finish editing the slider, click on Save Slide. Okay, now we go to all sliders here. Let's take a look on one of the inner pages, room pages. If you click, for example, on deluxe room, edit, you'll see it's the same idea. Basically, you can see the picture. You can change the picture using media library, and after finishing, just click Save Slide. Please try to not touch any of the animation or use the options here, because it might affect the visual of that page. Now let's create a slider. If you want to create a new room, which is basically by clicking duplicate here. There's a button called duplicate. Once you click on that, you can put the title of the new room. Let's call, for example, new room, and duplicate. Once it's duplicated, you will have a new slider here called new room. You can edit it and change the image, same as what we just done for the other sliders. Just click on media library and change, for example, this image and insert. And after you finish, you click save. Okay. Now let's say we want to add create a new room by clicking add a new. And click, for example, new, type here new room. After naming the page, you can click publish here to publish the page. And now to keep the design of the page, you click on backend editor, add template, and choose room templates. Once you choose that, it will fill for you the room information, which with an example here. The same editing for the text here, for the text everywhere, the same way. And the only thing that's different, which you're gonna do, because you want to make sure that the image on that page is the same or different. Click on Edit Revolution slider. Click here and click in new. Find the new slider you did, which is new room, and click on it. Save changes. After you finish, you click Update. And let's now view the page to see how it looks like. As you see now, the new room is created. The same style, same design, but just different picture. Now, if you created a page and you want to put it on the menu under some menu, or under a sub menu, or add a new type of the menu, for example, if you want to put it under rooms, or if you want to put it next to special offers, the way to do it is by going to appearance and then menus. Once you do that, you'll see here a list of all the rooms and pages we've added for you. If you want to add a new one, click on New Room, Add to Menu. Drag this one like this. It always goes to the bottom if you added a new page. You click, position it wherever you want. For example, I'll put it on top of Deluxe Club Sky, or I can put it on top of Deluxe itself. As you see here, if you drag this one inside or outside, it'll show you outline where it's going to show. For example, if you put it under Deluxe, it will show you it's under Deluxe in the outline. If you want it as a main menu, same as the Deluxe, it will show you it's outside already. Now, for example, if you want it the main subject as same as restaurants and bars, you can just drag it all the way out to show that it is a main subject. If you want it inside, you just keep dragging until you are satisfied with where you want it. If you don't want that menu item, just click on Remove, and then you click Save to the Save menu. And if you want to delete a page, basically you can go to that page, Edit Page, and click Move to Trash. And if you think that you lost the page and you want it back, you can go to Trash and click on it, click on Restore. If you are 100% sure that you don't want it anymore, click on Delete Permanently. Okay, now that's all done. Let's take a look about editing media. Okay, now if you click on any media picture in the pictures in the media, you will see here it will pop up with the information about that picture and the URL for it. There is Edit Image. If you click on it, it will give you the dimensions of that image, and you can modify it basically here. Once you modify the image sizes, you can then you cannot go back for the original one. Now that's all for the media. And the last thing here are the posts and events about how to add new ones. So events are the same ones if you see on the website. They are located under Bangkok of events here. Every event here you'll see January, for example, January 2017, May 2017. You'll see them here according to their dates. Now let's say, for example, you want to add a new one, or you want to edit a current event. Basically, you can go either to that event by clicking find out more, or and then click edit event, or you can do it basically by going to that event itself. You see here the events are sorted by date. So the last event was added on December 2013, and it ends on to December 2017. So you can edit that event here to show you how it looks like from inside. As you see, it's only adding the title of that event. And then if you scroll down, you will see the date, the start and end date, locations, and the map, and the featured image. So these are the main points you need to fill inside the event so you can keep everything in order. Once you add the event, it will go automatically to the bottom of the Bangkok events page. Now, the last thing left here is the posts. If you go to the posts on the top left, the posts here usually are for the blog. Once you want to create a blog, or you want to add a blog for yourself on the website, basically you need to go and add a post. Now for the special offers, it's the same thing for editing the page. Basically you can go and edit the page and edit the layout of the page. As you see here, there's image on the left and the text on the right. So if you want to duplicate the next one, you just click on here, clone this row. It will clone the row, and you can drag it to the top and then you can clone the line to separate it. Okay. After cloning the row and finishing everything, you click update. After updating, you can go to the page to see what you updated. To create a special offers page is the same thing of creating a normal page. Basically, when you choose the template, just choose the special offers template. Thank you very much for watching.